Hello friends, welcome back to our channel DS Tech Mirror. This is part 11 of our model driven app series. In this video, I will cover how to create dashboards in model driven apps. In my last video, I covered how we can work with charts, and now in this video, we will see how we can combine different charts into one page. To begin with, let's see what are dashboards. Dashboard is nothing. You can imagine dashboard as a page, as a web page where we will be combining different charts. For example, if I have created three charts for an entity, so I can display all these charts into one single page along with different lists, different views, and other components of a model driven app. So this is the basic definition of dashboards. In model driven apps, there are different types of dashboard. One is the standard dashboard, another is interactive dashboard. Standard dashboard we can create from both from new experience as well as the classic experience, but interactive dashboard we can only create if we use classic experience. Microsoft has not yet moved this functionality to the new experience. Further, interactive dashboard is split into two parts: single stream dashboard and multi-stream dashboard. In single stream dashboard, we can pull data only from one particular table, one view. In multi-stream dashboard, we can pull data from multiple views, multiple tables. Over here, you can understand stream as a view. So in single stream, we can display only one view. In multi-stream, we can display multiple views from multiple tables. As part of the hands-on, what I will be doing today, that I will be creating one standard dashboard. Then as part of interactive, I will be creating one single stream dashboard, one multi-stream dashboard, and then we will see how we can display this dashboard into our app. As this is a complete series, I am already creating one app called My Fundraiser app. So I will open that My Fundraiser app and I will create one dashboard over there, and we will see how we can add these standard dashboard as well as interactive dashboard into our My Fundraiser app. So let's go to our Office 365. I'm inside my Power Apps. This is my environment, DS Tech Mirror, and inside my solution called DS Tech Mirror Demo. For all those folks who are directly watching this video, I will recommend if you watch my previous videos, then multiple things will get clear to you, because I have covered everything: how I can create an environment, why to create a solution, how you can create solution, and other components of the model driven apps. If you are already having an experience of model driven apps or Power Platform, then you can watch this video directly as well. So to begin with, to create a dashboard, what I will do, I'm inside my solution. I will click on, in the left navigation, I will click on this all, and from the ribbon at the top you can see this new button. Click on this and click on dashboard. As soon as you will hover over this dashboard, you will see multiple options. We only have option to select the layout. Automatically, model driven apps will create the standard dashboard from the new experience. Over here we can select the different layouts, whether we want to work with 2-column view, 3-column overview, 3-column overview, varied width, 4-column overviews, and Power BI embedded. Power BI embedded means we can embed a Power BI dashboard over here also, a dashboard which we have created using Power BI. Power BI embedded is out of the scope of this particular video, so I will focus on these these 4 layouts. So these are nothing, these are just different layouts. Based on that, if I will select 3-column overview, I will be getting 3-column. With 2-column overview, I will be getting 2-column, and similarly for the other options. For today's video, I will be selecting 3-column overview, and just to give you a more clarity, I will just show you how with this 2-column overview will look. So what I will do, I will go to new dashboard, 2-column overview. Over here I will just compare the different layouts. This is 2-column overview. You can see I am having 2 columns. The one which I will be using for today's video is 3-column overview. Over here you can see I have 3 columns. So this is the basic difference. So over here in new classic experience, we are only getting an option to select the layout for the standard dashboard. So now coming over here, this is my 3-column overview. I begin with the name of the dashboard. In chart, we saw if we are not giving the name of the chart, model driven app was automatically creating the name, but which is not the case over here. Over here specifically I have to name my dashboard. So what I will do, let's name it as standard In this, I will be working with my tables. So if you're watching my videos regularly, you must be aware that for this particular demo or for this particular tutorial, I'm creating an app called My Fundraiser app, and in that I'm having two tables, my donation table and my fundraiser table. So if I go to my tables over here, since I am inside my table, so these are my two tables, my donation and my fundraiser. So what I will do over here, I will work with my fundraiser. So let me append the table name as well, my fundraiser. So this would be the name of my dashboard, so that I'm now, if I scroll down further, this is the section part. Over here in 3 columns, I am getting 6 sections. Over here you can see these different icons. What are these? If I click on it, this is the chart icon. If I click on it, I will be getting an option to embed the chart. So in my previous video, I have created various charts. So now over here, now I will embed this chart into my dashboard. If you're not aware about how we can create charts, you can watch my last video. Next entity which we can embed in this dashboard is the list. I can insert any list over here. Next is, I think, is the web insert assistant. So this is another component which we have not covered, so we will skip it. But for your knowledge, you can keep it in your mind that we can add various components in my model driven app, and one such component is this assistant. Then I have web resources, which I will cover in my coming videos. And then another component is the iframe. Iframe is nothing. If you want to display any page from any other website, you can use iframe. So for today, I will be using charts and list. In future, I will be covering iframe and web resources and assistant. So at that time, I will just pull these 3 components into this existing dashboards. So let's start with the charts. I will pull this chart. As I said, I will be working for this particular dashboard with my fundraiser table. So let's select your table, my fundraiser. View, automatically it selected the default view, fundraiser public view. Now in my last video, for this particular table, I created 3 charts. So all these charts are getting displayed over here. Fundraiser by name cause. If I select another one, it will show you the preview over here. Fundraiser and total donation by name cause and total donation by name cause. Let me select the first chart in this particular section, and it will get displayed over here. It will add or it will embed this particular chart in this section. Now what I will do, I will add the remaining 2 charts in these 2 sections. I will go over here, click on charts. Again, I have to select my table. My table name is my fundraiser. And then I will select my second chart. First, I will select total donation by name cause. And then I have created one chart which is showing both fundraiser by name cause and total donation by name cause. And I will be selecting my third chart in my third section, my fundraiser. And this is my view. This is my third chart. So I have added all my charts. There is another way you can add components to this section. I can select this particular section, and from the top I can click on list. And this time what I will do, I will display my fundraiser list over here, my fundraiser, and I can select any view, for example fundraiser public view, which would get displayed over here. And I will leave these another 2 sections as blank. I don't need them. So in this dashboard, what I have done, I have added my 3 charts and my list view, that is my fundraiser. And now what I will do, I will simply click on save. So my dashboard will get saved. So this is how I can create a standard dashboard. Because Power Platform is a low code, no code platform. Without writing any piece of code, we simply created a standard dashboard. So this is a very powerful feature of model driven app. Now let's see the other options at the top. If I click on this chart and I click on properties, so the selection over here is not dependent on this properties dialog. It will automatically, or by default, it will simply show me the dashboard properties. Over here I can edit my name, description, and if I want, I will enable it for mobile. Then I have edit component. If I click on edit component, I can see more properties over here. This is the name of the component. You can see component 8A5EB. So this properties, this is used to edit the properties of the dashboard, and edit component we can use to edit the properties of the each section over here. So for example, if I have selected this particular component over here, I can see properties related to this particular section. I can change this panel header color from here. This is the record. Again, if I want to change this entity table, so I can change over here. Some additional options. If I want to show chart only, display chart selection, I can select. And all these are the other properties which I have from the component. Then remove, if I want to remove it. Undo, redo, I think you already know. If I want to undo any action, if I want to delete any my latest action. Then chart list, other components which I can add. Increase width and height, if I want to change the width and height of any of the component. For example, this component is selected. If I say increase width, so this width will get increased. If I say decrease width, this will get decreased. So these are the various options which we have. So now since we have created this dashboard, I have already saved it. Let me close it. Now let me refresh it. In the left navigation, we should see one option called dashboard should get added, and inside that we should see, you can see this is the dashboard, and inside this I can see my dashboard got added. Standard column view, overview dashboard. If I click on it, again it will open that dashboard in the dashboard designer. Other options from here I can see add existing, it's not related to this dashboard. If I say I can edit it. Security rules, again I will cover in my upcoming videos. Publish, if I want to publish this, I will publish it soon. And these are other properties of my solution. For the dashboard, if I click on these three dots, you can edit it, security rules, publish, manage properties, show dependencies for this particular dashboard, and remove. If I select on remove, I can see this remove from this solution and delete from this environment. If I click on remove from this solution, this dashboard will stay in the environment and I can edit again in any other solution. But if I say delete from this environment, this will get deleted permanently. So this is how we can create standard dashboard. Now for the interactive dashboard, we have to go to classic view. How we can go to classic view? Again, click on all from your solution. Go to the top ribbon. From these three dots, you will see this option switch to classic. Switch to classic. This is the classic experience of the model driven apps. And over here, you have to see for the dashboard options from the left navigation, and you will find this option over here below service endpoints dashboard. And this standard, the dashboard which we have created is getting populated over here. Now to create the dashboard from the classic experience, click on new, and you will see these two options over here. This dashboard option is the same which we have created from the new experience. From the classic experience, I will be creating interactive experience dashboard. I will click on this, and here in this dialog you can see these two options, multi-stream and single stream, which I have mentioned in my slide as well. So I will start with multi-stream, and again in the multi-stream I have the options to select the different layouts. Over here you can see this layout overview or preview, I should say. 1 2 3 4 columns, then 3 columns, 2 columns, and 3 columns. If you select, you will see a brief description over here also. So for our video, I will select 2 column overview, dashboard, and multi-stream. I will select, click on create. This will open in the dashboard designer. Again, I have to name it, so I will say interactive multi-stream. This time I will work with my donation table, so I will say my donation. Here I have to select my filter. Filter entity means I have to select my table, which table I would like to use, and I will be using my donation. Filter view, that is entity view. Earlier in Power Platform or for model driven apps, we used to tables were called as entity. So still Microsoft has not updated it, but now they are renamed them as tables. So I'm in my videos I'm using the latest naming conventions. So for the entity view, for the table view, I've selected active donation. This is filter by created on, modified on, and time frame means the data which it will show from the my donation. For this week means it will show only the data which got added in this week. So I will say, let's say select last quarter. These are the visual filters. That means from here I can only add chart. So in interactive dashboard, I don't have option to show web resources, assistant, list, iframe. Over here I can only display chart. So if I select over here, if I click over here, it will open a dialog for me, and from here, because I have already selected my entity, I don't need to select it again from here. I have to simply select the chart. Here I have only one chart, donation amount by from. I will click on it and my chart got populated. Here I don't have the option. Over in standard dashboard, you must have noticed that I can display chart from different tables, which is not the case with the interactive multi-stream dashboard. I can only display chart from one particular table. For donation table, I have only one chart. So I cannot, I want to skip this section. I would not like to add any chart in this particular section. I will leave it as blank. So now let's scroll down and see this stream concept which I said. Over here, this is multi-stream. If I click on it, now here you can see I have the option to select the record type. That means my table I can select. So this is my donation, active donation, done. One stream got added, one view got added. But I can add unlimited streams over here. So how I can do that? I will click on stream from the top ribbon. Again, I can select another. For example, I will say my fundraiser. Even I can add different views of the same entity. Stream, my donation, inactive donation, stream, my fundraiser, fundraiser public view. So I have added multiple views just to display the functionality, just to demonstrate the functionality of the multi-stream dashboard. This view won't be useful for me in the app, so I will delete them later, but for now I will keep them. So this is the concept of the multi-stream dashboard. You can not only chart from one table, but views from different table or different views of the same table. I think I should add this option in my slide as well. So I'll say add chart only from one table and display views from different tables or different views of same table. So I'm done with this multi-stream dashboard. What I will do, I will click on save. At the top I have few options. Doesn't need any explanation, like save, it will save. Close is to close this particular dialog, this designer, dashboard designer, and then stream to add this stream, chart to add this chart, and delete if I want to delete this particular dashboard. I've already saved this dashboard. I will close it now. Let me go back to my solution in the classic view, and this dashboard got added. Now I will add another dashboard, interactive experience dashboard, and what I will do this time, I will select single stream. Single stream, this time I will select 2-column overview. Let's say create, and this is how I will get it. This is the stream, single stream. Now first I will add this stream. I will click on stream. First I have to select the filter entity from here, otherwise because it don't allow me to add from this stream dialog. So I want to work with the my donation table again. So this is got added, and from here now what I'll do, or from the top I can add this stream as well. I'll say my active donation, record type, that table type is my donation, view name is active donations. I will click on OK. Automatically got added in the stream section. Now if I again click on stream, it will not allow me. It will say cannot edit more than one stream, because this is single stream dashboard. That means I can add only one view from one table. Filter by, I will say created on, time frame again last quarter, or I would say the maximum I can select is the last quarter. So this is another important thing. Time frame maximum I can select is the last quarter. I will show you where this time frame would be useful. When I will add this dashboard in my app, there this time frame will come into picture, and the name I would say interactive single stream my donation. And now for the chart, I think it's pretty easy. And by now I think for you also it would be pretty easy to add this chart. You don't need to select any table and view because we already selected from here. In chart we have only one chart in this particular table, and I will leave this section as blank. This is also done. I will click on save. Other options remains the same. They don't need any explanation I think now, so I will skip them and I will click on close. So guys, till now what I have done, I have created a standard dashboard. In this standard dashboard we can create from both new and classic experience, and we have the option to select only layouts. There are different layouts: 2 column, 3 column, 4 column overview. Interactive dashboard, I can only create them from the classic experience. They are of two types: single stream, multi-stream. In single stream we can add only one view from one table. In multi-stream I can add multiple stream, that means multiple views of a single table or multiple views from multiple tables. It supports multiple table. That is one of the biggest advantage of using multi-stream dashboard. But another important thing is interactive dashboard will display chart only from one particular table, and the standard dashboard will display chart from different tables. So these are again few basic difference between these two dashboards. What I will do, I will move to the new experience and I will close this classic experience. Before proceeding further, what I will do, I will publish them, and for that, just to avoid any hiccups, so what I will click on publish all customizations in my solution. So this will publish all my this dashboard customization or any other previous customization which is unpublished. So once it get published, then we will see how we will add these dashboards in our app. So publish part is completed. Go to your dashboard and we should see all the three dashboard available over here. So this is fine. Now I will move to my app. This is my app, DS Tech My Fundraiser app, and let me open this app in the edit mode. This is my edit mode, and over here I can see this dashboard section. If I select over here, I should see the new dashboards over here. I can see multiple dashboards available, but I should see my dashboard which I have created. This interactive multi-stream my donation, interactive single stream my donation, and I have created one standard dashboard as well. It should be also be available. That is standard 3 column overview my fundraiser. So what I will do, let me uncheck this all part, and now I will select standard. This is one of my dashboard, standard 3 column overview my fundraiser, and another I have this 2 interactive dashboards. So 1, 2, 3, and this I will uncheck it. So now I have 3 dashboard. I will click on save, and now I have to add this dashboard into my app. That I will do using my sitemap. I will click on this sitemap. Now for the dashboard, I will create a new area over here. Let me add a new area. I will name it as dashboard, and under this I will create 2 groups. One I will say, sorry, I just clicked on it. Let me delete it. Dashboard, add group. One I will say fundraiser dashboard, and another I will say donation dashboard. This is my group. I will say donation dashboard. Under fundraiser dashboard, I will add a sub area, and now from here I will select it entity. I will select a type. Type would be dashboard. Over here I have to select the dashboard, and my dashboard for the fundraiser is standard 3 column overview my fundraiser. Then other things I can leave as it is, and then I will click on save. So those guys who are watching this video regularly and are finding any difficulty with related to this sitemap, I have already covered it in my earlier video. You can refer my earlier videos and then you can come and watch this video. For the donation dashboard, again what I will do, again I will click on sub area. I will name it as, this should be my donation dashboard, or I will name it as dashboard only. I will select a type from here, dashboard, and then I have to select a dashboard. My dashboard would be interactive single stream. This is done, and another sub area I will select. This time again, dashboard name would be, I have to select this interactive multi-stream dashboard, and this is also done. So what I have done, I have created another area. Inside this area, I have created two groups because for two different tables I have dashboard, and under those group I have added the respective dashboards. What I will do, I will publish it and then we will open this app. Our sitemap is getting published. Save and close. I would like to publish it from here as well, and then I will click on play, and let's see how our sitemap will appear. If it is not good, we can modify it at any point of time. Okay, so this is my fundraiser and I can see the new area dashboard. In the dashboard, I can see this fundraiser dashboard and donation dashboard. If I click on, by default is the fundraiser dashboard. So in the fundraiser dashboard, you can see three different charts and they are showing all the data to us. You can see this fundraiser public view. Then this is my one chart, another chart. You can see the name of the chart over here. This is another chart, fundraiser public view, because we selected the view from here, and these are the chart names. And this is the data which is getting displayed. And I can say set as default. It's fine. If I go to the donation dashboard, I will click on it. I have to select it from here because I made this dashboard as the default one. So from here I can select this interactive single stream dashboard. So I can see this dashboard over here. This is the single stream. It displayed the data over here and this is the chart. And if I select this multi-stream, I would see the data from the multiple options over here. You must be thinking, where our charts? So let's cover this dashboard one by one. First, I will go to this fundraiser dashboard. Let's cover them in detail. So this is the dashboard which we have created. These are the charts. So these are quite simple because I covered the chart in my previous section. So you can go through that video. And over here, we have simply embedded in this particular video. And over here, it displays the view for me. If I select over here, I can see the other views as well for this particular my fundraiser table as well. So this is the stream for me, and this is the dashboard. At the top I have this save as. I would like to remove this option as clear default and other things. Next I will go to this particular dashboard, that is single stream dashboard. In single stream dashboard I can see this one stream, one view and one chart. At the top only few options: save as, set as default, refresh and show global filter. If I click on show global filter, I have not added any global filter over here, so it will not show me anything. How I can add global filter, I will just cover for you. If I go to the another dashboard, interactive multi-stream dashboard, this is showing me multiple streams, but where is my chart? For that I will click on show visual filter. It will bring the chart over here, and these are my streams. If I click on new, from here also I can create the dashboard. But remember, now I am the app user. Okay, I am not creating this dashboard from this my solution. I have deployed into the my app, and if the app user is having an access to create the dashboard, app user can create this dashboard from here, and it will come under the category of the user dashboard. These are system dashboards. So that is the only difference. Just for the sake of practice, we will create one user dashboard as well. So another thing is, instead of creating different groups and sub areas, we could have created one, because over here we have the options to select the different dashboards. From here also we can select different dashboards. So what I will do, just to update it, I will go to my sitemap because and what I will do, I will simply delete it. I will delete everything from here and I will rename my area as dashboard section. And under this, I am having different dashboards. I will say dashboards, and over here, this will display the dashboard over here. So this is done. Save and close. From here, there's no option to publish. For that, okay, I think I have to publish it from here first. From the sitemap I have to publish, and then I have to publish my app. Save and close. Okay, I think I will, let me try to refresh it, and I can see the updated sitemap over here. Dashboard section, dashboards, this is my dashboard, and here I can select different dashboards. So this is pretty good. If I select any dashboard as the default one, for example, I have to select this multi-stream dashboard as the default one. I can say set as default. This is done. Now fundraiser section. If I go to dashboard section, and this default dashboard will be displayed by default. And here I can see the other dashboards. So this is all about dashboard. Quickly I will cover the user dashboard as well. User dashboard we can create only from the app. What I will do, I will click on new dynamic 365 dashboard, and I can only create standard dashboard from here. I will create 2-column overview, create. I can select let me select any table, and this time I will select the accounts table and view active accounts. That's it. And I will say save, and I'll say user dashboard. I just want to clarify for you the difference between system dashboard and user dashboard. So this is my user dashboard. Create it, close. Other things are the same because this is the standard dashboard only. So I will close it. And from here now you will see two options: your user dashboard, my dashboard, and these are system dashboard. So these dashboard are specific to the user. If I'm logged in as another user, I will not see this user dashboard. I will only see the system dashboard. So let me show you that as well quickly. I will try to log in with a different user. So I am logged in with another user over here. This is my test user 01, and you could see over here there's no option to select the user dashboard because user dashboards are specific to a particular user who created them. System dashboard will be visible to everyone. So this is another user, and over here for this particular user both the options are available. So this is about user dashboard and system dashboard. Only one thing is left which I promised for you, that is about the global filter. So global filter is about filtering the data over here, and for that what we have to do, for the global filter, go to your table. So this is my table, my donation, and select any column. In my case I have selected this donation amount column. Click on this, and over here in the advanced option you could see this appear in global filter in interactive experience dashboard. Once I will select this, then this will appear over there, and I'll say done and save table. So now this donation amount should be available for the filter as well as for the sorting part. Let me try to refresh. Now if I click on show global filter over here, that donation amount column should appear over here. First let me, just for a proper view, I am clicking on hide visual filters. Okay, I will click on show global filter. Donation amount is coming over here now because I have selected in my column properties. Now to filter it, I can see this is the donation amount 50,000, 5,200, 40. So what I will do, just to demonstrate it, I will say display only those records where donation amount is between 50,000 to 1 lakh. This is 50,000 to 1 lakh. Fine. And using this I will say apply global filter, and you can see it filtered down the records. These are the two records which are coming from the donation table. If you remember, because this was multi-stream, I just for the sake of displaying the functionality of the multi-stream, I show the data from the fundraiser app as well. In future I will remove it. So you can see it automatically filter the record. If I remove this filter, it will display all the records. Because there is no active donation, it is coming as no data available. So this is how my global filter will work. And if you want to add any global filter, go to your column, go to your table, go to that particular column, click on that column name, Under advanced option, you will see this option appear in global filter and sortable in interactive experience. So these two things you can do from here. The last thing which is left is show visual filter. My chart will come. And one more thing, if I apply this global filter, even my chart will get filtered down between 50,000 to 1 lakh. Let me quickly show you again, because for the first time the chart was hidden. So apply and you will see the chart is also getting filtered. So all the data in this dashboard which I am pulling from the donation table is working. 1, 2, and in this there is no data available. Okay, fine. So this is about global filter. And last thing is switch to tile view. Tile view is nothing, it will display everything as a tile. So in the tile view, it will show you all these different views and M number records. There are 2 records in active donation. This is filtered. This is unfiltered, 3 records. So it will show you the data in the tile view. If I'll click on stream view, it will show you data like this. If I say show visual filter, switch to tile view, then it will show you the chart and this tiles for the stream. So I think I have pretty much covered everything about the dashboard. So guys, that's it about the dashboard section, and I think I have covered all the things in detail. So now I will go to my slides. Over here I think standard dashboard, single stream, multi-stream. In fact, we covered the user dashboard as well. Now I will cover the progress so far slide. Let me see where that slide is. We have made progress so far. Okay. So in today's video we cover dashboards, and in dashboards we cover standard, then interactive single stream, interactive multi-stream, and user. And also we cover the global filters in dashboards. So all these things we have covered so far. So today's was a very important section with respect to the model driven app. I hope you must have liked it, and I will request you to try it at your end, and if you face any issue you can reach out to me. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you like this video, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel to get notification for our upcoming videos. If you have any issues, please reach out to us through our official email ID or through YouTube comments. You can join a group over Facebook called Modern SharePoint, and also you can follow me on Twitter to get all the updates from the Office 365 world. Till our next video, much love, keep learning. Thank you.